responsible at home, then we'll make you responsible here. Okay. For morning work, we have 2/3 plus 5/6. And we need to change them over to both the same denominator. What will 3 and 6 both go into, Lindsay?
6.
6. Well, 5/6 is already in 6, so we'll keep that. We need to change 2/3 over to 6. How do we do that? Ben?
Multiply by 2.
Multiply it by 2 over 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So now we have 4/6 plus 5/6, and that equals what? Ernie? Okay, so how'd you figure that out? Let's find, when you add these two fractions, what do you get?
You get
9/6. And now we need to change 9/6 over to a mixed number. And a mixed number is whole numbers and a fraction. How many 6 go into 9, Ernie? 1. So 6 will go into 9 one time. And how many's left over? Allison? 3 out of the 6. Well, 3/6 is the same as what?
1/2.
1/2. So our answer should be 1 and 1/2. How many of you guys got that right? How many of you got it right but didn't change it to a mixed number? One thing that I want to tell you here that's in a reminder, remember the unit 4 test that you took on the computer? We're going to be retesting that on Monday, okay? So, if you need to look over anything or do anything, the best thing that you can do is to log into your Pearson Success site and look over that stuff, all right? There are some practice like quizzes and things that will help you. Adding fractions, changing them over to a percent, comparing fractions. And that's for anybody that was below a C. Okay? So anybody below a 70, you can retake. If you want to retake it, that's fine. Okay? But that will happen on Monday.
What if you got a 70?
If you got a 70 or below, you're required to take it again. All right? Let's go over your homework real quick. If you could clear the ink and minimize for me, please. Remind me to take it this way. This is called the decimal trail. It started at 0 and went up to 100%. So we needed to figure out what the decimal was for each of the empty boxes. Okay? So they gave you decimals, and then you had to place them in the order from least to greatest. Somebody tell me what the decimal is for 10%. Roman? 0.1 or 0.10. Okay? And then we needed to figure out something that came between 10% and 20%. There were 2 decimals that would fall between 10 and 20%. What'd you come up with? Courtney, take your coat off. What decimal fell between 10 and 20? Jillian?
First one is
0.123. How do you say that as a decimal? 123 thousandths. So we're finished with that. What came next? Megan? 165 thousandths. Good. Next. We need something that falls between 20 and 30%. Clark? 245 thousandths. Okay? So you say the number, and then figure out what place it's in. So 245 thousandths. We need something that falls between 30 and 40%. Kennedy? 333 thousandths, otherwise known as what percent? 33 and a third, or a fraction, 1/3. We need something that is equivalent to 40%. What's equal to 40%? Lily? 400 what? 400, and we go 3 places past the decimal, which is thousandths. Good. We need something that is an equivalent to 50%. Noah?
0.5.
0.5 or 5. Let's look. 1 place past the decimal.
Tenths.
5/10. Good job. We need something that is equal to 60%. Hunter?
0.601, which is 0.
Oh, it's a little past 60%, isn't it? 0.601, which we name as 601 thousandths. Good job. What comes next after 601 thousandths? Tim?
0.66.
0.6. Well, I have 661 and I have 625. What comes next? 625, which is said as what? How do you say it as a decimal?
0 and 625,000.
625 thousandths. Good. Next. Those of you that I've already called on, don't raise your hand because I'm looking for people that have not been called on. Hannah. We're still looking at sixes. We're late for art. Leave it on your desk